These have just been brushed with some toasted sesame oil, and then I'm gonna coat them in toasted sesame seeds. There you go. And I put it on this rack here so it won't get soggy. So it's ready to cook and start getting my pan hot now. Okay, I have a hot skillet and it's been warming up, and I put like a little bit of olive oil on the bottom, and we're gonna put the tuna steaks in here, and I'm gonna cook them about 2.5 minutes per side because they're about a 1/2 inch thick. Yeah. So I think 245, maybe 230 a side. We're just gonna sear these. We're not gonna cook them all the way through. You can see it's starting to cook, and it's not like super high. It's just like a medium high temperature. It's gonna go off in a minute. So I'll just flip them over, cut them into a brown on the top. I'll let these steaks cool off. They cook for 2.5 minutes aside. All right, so dinner's ready. Got some ahi tuna, toasted sesame seed, coated, some spring onions, some jalapeno, a little bit of sesame oil and sesame seeds and soy sauce. And then we have some rice, and I put this wonderful Japanese salt on it with Kona sea salt. It's high in trace minerals. I got this from Maui. Yummy. Let's get to cooking. Got some tuna wraps. Sliced our tuna. It's seared perfectly for us. It might be a little longer for you, maybe a little shorter, but we did 2.5 minutes, and that's seared nicely for us. So, bon appetit. Let's get to cooking. It's time to try. This looks amazing. This is a seared ahi tuna wrap with toasted sesame seeds and oil. Okay, a jalapeno and some diced green onion. Let's go. Nice. Okay, let's try this ahi tuna wrap. Seared ahi tuna. Okay. That is tasty. Delicious. Really good. Okay. I'm gonna finish enjoying this. I hope you guys have a great day. Let's get to cooking.